Number 1. 1997 GMC Sierra 2500, price $8,500, finished in a brown exterior with a beige interior that reflects its classic late 90s style. Under the hood, it carries the original 350 Vortec 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and despite its age, it has only 112,000 miles on the odometer. Running on gasoline and built as a two-wheel drive, this truck combines reliability with practicality. The 8-foot bed is equipped with a gooseneck hitch, 2 safety hookups, and a 5-way plug, making it highly capable for towing or hauling heavy loads. Inside, it offers power windows and even retains its original cassette player, which still works perfectly. Known for starting up every time without hesitation, the truck continues to deliver dependable performance. However, it does have a few minor issues, including a non-firing cylinder 6 and an air conditioning system that is currently not functioning. Number 2. 1998 Toyota T100, price $8,500, comes equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in a sleek black exterior with a gray interior, the truck runs on gasoline and has been well cared for. It features a 3-inch lift, making it ready for adventures on the island or off-road trips. The engine runs strong, and both the transmission and 4x4 system operate smoothly. Recently, it received a full tune-up that included new injectors, spark plugs, and wires. All engine covers were removed during the process, and the engine was fully resealed, leaving it free of any leaks. The truck also comes with cold, working air conditioning for comfort in warmer weather. Inside, it is upgraded with an aftermarket Apple Play stereo system and a backup camera for modern convenience. In the bed, it is equipped with a large toolbox and a mounted light bar, perfect for hauling gear or heading out on weekend trips to South Padre Island. This Toyota T100 is being offered with a clean and clear Texas title in the seller's name, making it a dependable and ready-to-go pickup. Number 3. 1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000. It's powered by the reliable 350 V8 Vortec engine with an automatic transmission, and the 4x4 system functions perfectly. Recently serviced with a full tune-up and all new AC components, it runs strong and blows cold air. The truck has been professionally repainted from the cab back in its original burgundy color, with over $8,000 invested in paintwork. The driver's rocker was replaced and painted correctly, though the passenger side rocker shows some rust. Inside, the beige interior is fully loaded with factory options including bucket seats, center console, power windows, power locks, premium CD/tape radio, leather-wrapped steering wheel, airbags, and a sliding rear window. Original paperwork and the factory window sticker are also included. Number 4. 1986 Ford F150, price $9,000, powered by a strong 302 engine with fuel injection and showing only 118,000 miles. The truck has clearly been taken care of over the years and remains in excellent condition for its age. Inside, the cabin still features its original seat, which shows very little wear, a testament to how gently it has been used. For added practicality, it comes with a bed liner, making it ready for both work and leisure. Comfort on the road is enhanced with cruise control that works perfectly, while the heater provides reliable warmth during colder days. The air conditioning is currently not functional, but that does little to take away from the truck's overall value and charm. With its clean presentation and dependable performance, this F-150 stands out as both a usable daily driver and a collectible classic. Number 5. 1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000. It has 127,000 miles on the odometer and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in gray with a matching gray interior, it runs on gasoline and has clearly been well cared for throughout its life. The truck still has plenty of life left and is versatile enough for work, hauling, or simply enjoying as a classic Chevy on the road. Its strong engine and smooth shifting transmission ensure dependable performance, while the clean interior stands out for a vehicle of its age. The solid body reflects Chevrolet's reputation for durability, and the ride remains comfortable and ready for the next owner to put it to use. Whether someone is in search of a reliable work truck or a classic Silverado to cruise in, this one represents a great opportunity. A clean title is in hand, making the purchase straightforward and hassle-free. Number 6. 1972 Chevrolet C10, price $7,850, finished in yellow and paired with a manual transmission. It is powered by a dependable 350 engine matched to a 3-speed setup, making it a true driver's truck. The owner reports that it runs and drives exactly as it should, with no mechanical concerns, and is ready to hit the road without hesitation. The truck is located in Kannapolis, North Carolina, and comes with a clean NC title, making ownership simple and straightforward. Like many vintage C10s from this era, it does show the typical rust in common areas, but overall, it remains a solid example that combines reliability with the timeless appeal of Chevrolet's iconic pickup design. Number 7. 1994 GMC Sierra 1500, price $3,600, features a striking gold exterior paired with a comfortable tan interior. It runs on gasoline and is equipped with the durable NV3500 manual transmission, which shifts smoothly and adds to its classic driving feel. With 210,000 miles on the odometer, the truck continues to run and drive like new, largely thanks to a GM replacement engine that ensures dependable performance. The air conditioning and heater both work exceptionally well, providing year-round comfort. Nearly new tires contribute to its stability and reliability on the road. Number 8. 1997 Ford F250, price $4,500. This truck comes with an automatic transmission and has been driven 220,000 miles. Finished in white with a tan interior, it runs on diesel and is powered by the well-regarded Power-Stroke diesel engine. The truck fires right up with the glow plug system functioning as it should, and it runs and drives well overall. Although the transmission's overdrive light is flashing, once the codes are cleared it shifts smoothly, suggesting the issue is most likely electrical. It does have some exhaust leaks and shows body rust around the wheel arches, but despite these imperfections, it remains a strong and reliable driver. Number 9. 1970 Ford F100, price $5,000, shows 86,000 miles and is powered by a 302 V8 paired with an automatic transmission and a BM shifter. Originally a manual, it still retains the clutch pedal and linkages for anyone who might want to convert it back. Finished in blue with a black interior, this short bed pickup runs on gasoline and fires right up every time. It drives and stops well, having been taken all over town without issue. The truck rides on 20-inch rims with decent tires that show some light dry rot but hold air without problems. Headlights, turn signals, brake lights, glass, and gauges are all in good shape. It comes with a clean North Carolina title, ready for its next owner. Number 10. 1972 Ford Ranger, price $8,900. This truck has 138,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a blue exterior with a matching blue interior. Powered by a smooth-running 390 V8 paired with a rebuilt C6 transmission, it remains mechanically strong and reliable. Recent work includes new suspension bushings, master cylinder, booster, wheel cylinders, alternator, radiator and hoses, heater core, switches, upgraded headlights, plus newer tires and upholstery. The truck appears to retain its original paint, recently cleaned and preserved, and comes with a clear Nevada title. Cosmetically, it shows some rust in the cab corners, minor spots on the rockers, and a few other small areas. Number 11. 1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,000. This truck is in remarkable condition for its year and mileage, showing 169,000 miles on the clock. It runs and drives exceptionally well, offering both reliability and comfort. The truck comes equipped with cold air conditioning, a modern stereo system featuring CarPlay, and LED lighting inside and out. It rides on 20-inch Texas Edition wheels with a matching spare, complete with center caps that were added after the photos were taken. Inside, the cabin is super clean and well kept. A recent full tune-up was completed on August 22, 2025, which included iridium plugs, new wires, a distributor, synthetic oil, and OEM filters for both oil and air. Additionally, it has been fitted with a new starter, a new alternator, a fresh accessories belt, and a new tensioner. With all the updates and maintenance, this truck runs like a top and stands as a well-cared-for example of a late 1990s Chevy pickup. Number 12. 1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,400. It has 185,000 miles on it and is equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission. Finished in off-white with a gray interior, it runs on gasoline and is powered by the reliable 4.3L Vortec 262 engine. The truck comes with a clean Texas blue title and the seller's name. It runs and drives without any issues, featuring cold air conditioning, manual windows and locks, and has recently received a long list of upgrades. Among the new parts are a set of tires, fuel pump and sending unit, KN gas filter, spider injectors, spark plugs, thermostat, door handles, battery, catalytic converter, all 4 oxygen sensors, a 2-inch rear drop kit, mass airflow sensor, and a new air filter. With its combination of a dependable drivetrain, fresh components, and clean paperwork, this Chevy 1500 stands as a solid and well-maintained truck that is ready for the road. Number 13. 1995 Ford F350, price $6,800. This truck shows 310,000 miles and is powered by the renowned 7.3L Power-Stroke diesel engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in black with a beige interior, the truck presents a clean and straightforward look while offering the durability and strength these models are known for. As a 2WD, it runs and drives very well, with the engine and transmission performing as they should. Everything on the truck is reported to be in good working order, making it a dependable option for someone in need of a tough workhorse or a reliable daily driver. Despite its higher mileage, it has been kept in solid running condition and comes with a clean title. Number 14. 1999 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,000. This truck is a well-maintained classic truck that runs and drives strong. It features a 4L60 automatic transmission with a street tune and a professional V8 swap. Recent upgrades include a new torque converter, rack and pinion, Delphi fuel pump, water pump, alternator, battery, spark plugs, wires, crank sensor, gaskets, ball joints, control arms, and tie rods. The brake system has also been refreshed with a new master cylinder reservoir, hoses, and pads, while the rear axle received synthetic oil and a new gasket. Cosmetic improvements include new headlights, ceramic 5% tint, a new interior carpet, and a locking bed cover. The heater works perfectly, though the AC will need servicing due to a leak. With so many new parts and upgrades, this Chevy 1500 stands out as a strong, dependable, and classic truck. Number 15. 1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,500. This truck is a two-door extended cab pickup finished in white with a blue interior, offering both utility and classic Chevy style. Powered by gasoline and paired with an automatic transmission, it has covered 208,000 miles and still runs strong. As a 4x4 2500 model, it provides dependable performance on and off the road, making it an ideal choice for towing, hauling, or heavy work. The truck has been recently updated with a set of new tires and a brand new battery, adding to its reliability. With its proven durability and rugged design, this Chevy continues to be a solid work truck that's ready for whatever task comes next. Number 16. 1988 Jeep Comanche, price $5,500. It has 165,000 miles on it and comes with a clean title in the owner's name. Finished in a classic red exterior with a gray interior, it is equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission and powered by the dependable 4.0L inline-6 gasoline engine. The truck runs and drives very well, having been in the current owner's possession for about 10 years, during which it served as a daily driver for 6 of those years. Over time, several important maintenance items have been addressed, including the installation of a new radiator, starter, water pump, power steering pump, alternator, and a complete exhaust system from the headers to the catalytic converter. The dashboard has also been replaced, and the brakes have recently been bled. Its four-wheel drive system functions but could benefit from some adjustment. While the truck is equipped with air conditioning, it has never been operational, and the heater core has been bypassed due to a leak. A few items will need attention, such as new tires, fresh brake pads, seat covers, and some cosmetic details. Number 17. 1988 GMC 2500, price $7,200. It has been fitted with a new alternator, battery, exhaust system, and a fresh set of tires, all of which contribute to its strong performance and reliability. Inside, the truck offers a comfortable and well-maintained interior, with the dashboard standing out in excellent condition, free of any cracks, something not always common in vehicles of this age. These key features reflect the care and attention it has received over the years, making it not only a practical choice for everyday driving or light work but also an appealing option for enthusiasts who appreciate the rugged charm of late 1980s GMC pickups. Number 18. 1969 Ford F100, price $8,000. The truck stands as a well-preserved classic, remaining almost entirely original aside from an upgraded radiator that ensures better cooling performance. It is equipped with the traditional 3-speed manual transmission, commonly referred to as 3 on the tree, which adds to its period-correct driving experience. In addition to its originality, the truck has been fitted with new tires, brakes, and shocks, making it not only authentic in appearance but also reliable on the road. This F100 runs and drives well, offering both the nostalgic charm of a vintage pickup and the reassurance of recent mechanical improvements, making it a strong example of a classic Ford that's ready to be enjoyed. Number 19. 1993 Ford F150, price $4,999. It has 146,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by a reliable 302 engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in a two-tone blue exterior with a gray interior, it carries a custom paint-matching camper that adds both style and utility. The truck comes equipped with ice-cold air conditioning, power windows and locks, a CD radio, and an aftermarket alarm for added convenience and security. Riding on BF Goodrich all-terrain tires, this 32-year-old F-150 still runs and drives well, though the paint shows some fading and the interior is in fair condition. A Carfax report is available, confirming it as a one-owner truck with detailed maintenance records, making it a solid example of a well-kept classic pickup. Number 20. 1997 Chevrolet 2500, price $6,000. This truck comes powered by a strong and dependable 6.5 turbo diesel engine with 157,000 miles. It has received careful maintenance and several important upgrades, including brand new batteries, a new alternator, a new starter, a new PMD, and a new flywheel, ensuring reliable performance for years to come. The truck is in good running condition and is ready to be driven without worry. Both the air conditioning and the heating system are fully functional, providing comfort in any season. With a clean title in hand, this Chevy 2500 is not only practical and reliable but also a solid choice for anyone in need of a durable diesel workhorse or a dependable daily driver. Number 21. 1999 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,800, comes with 145,000 original miles and has been owned by just one person since new. It is powered by the reliable 5.7L V8 Vortec engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering smooth and dependable performance. The truck is finished in white with a clean interior, showing it has been well cared for over the years. Mechanically, it has been kept in excellent condition with several recent updates, including new front brakes, a new water pump, and new freeze plugs. It rides on brand new Mastercraft tires mounted on 15x8 Eagle alloy wheels, giving it a strong and stylish stance. With zero mechanical issues, this Chevrolet runs and drives perfectly, ready to be enjoyed immediately. It also comes with a clean California title in hand and has never been involved in an accident, making it a solid and trustworthy choice for anyone seeking a classic, reliable pickup. Number 22. 1992 Chevrolet Silverado, price $9,500. This truck is being offered with a clean blue title and is located in Eagle Pass. It is powered by a reliable 350 TBI engine paired with a smooth 700 automatic transmission, delivering the kind of dependable performance these classic trucks are known for. The exterior is finished in a sleek black paint, while the interior stands out with its bold red finish, creating a timeless and eye-catching combination. Running on gasoline, the truck comes fully equipped with air conditioning and all its features in good working condition. Overall, this Silverado has been very well kept and remains in excellent shape for its age, making it a strong candidate for anyone looking for a classic pickup that's both functional and stylish. Number 23. 1983 GMC Sierra 1500, price $10,000. It is powered by a strong 4.54L gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission that shifts smoothly, delivering confident performance on the road. The truck runs on 2WD and is equipped with tires that remain in good condition, ensuring it is road-ready. On the outside, the Sierra wears a blue paint finish that has been well maintained, while the matching blue interior is clean, comfortable, and well kept, reflecting the care it has received over the years. Both the motor and transmission are solid, making it a dependable choice for daily driving or weekend cruising. With a clean title and overall great condition for its age, this GMC Sierra 1500 is a fine example of a classic truck that is ready to hit the road. Number 24. 2000 Chevrolet 2500, price $8,750. It has 180,000 miles and comes with an automatic transmission. The exterior is finished in white, complemented by a comfortable cloth interior. Under the hood, it is powered by the dependable 5.7L Vortec 350 engine, paired with 4x4 capability that makes it ready for both work and everyday driving. The truck is equipped with brand new tires, providing a confident ride, and the air conditioning blows cold for added comfort. It has been a company truck for much of its life, which means it has been maintained on schedule and used responsibly. Despite its mileage, the truck drives strong and smooth, showing that it has not been abused. Number 25. 1995 Ford F150, price $6,500. It has traveled 129,000 miles and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in classic white with a beige interior, it runs on gasoline and is powered by Ford's indestructible 4.9L inline-six engine. The truck features two fully functional gas tanks, a solid exhaust system, and has recently received a new battery and alternator. Inside, the cabin is fitted with a working AC and heater, tinted windows, a split rear window, and a Kenwood stereo system. The interior remains in decent condition, with all components intact. On the outside, it rides on original racing wheels that are still in excellent shape, giving the truck a period-correct look. Overall, this F150 drives smoothly and reliably, making it a well-preserved example of a mid-90s pickup. With its clean Texas title and classic status, it represents both a dependable workhorse and an emerging collectible. Number 26. 1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500, powered by a strong 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in its original black paint with a tan interior, the truck has had only 2 owners throughout its lifetime. About 175,000 miles of its history were with the current owner, who always kept it garage stored and maintained by the same trusted shop. Thanks to this consistent care, the truck needs nothing mechanically and runs exactly as it should. It rides smoothly and confidently, supported by 4 brand new tires. The frame remains in solid condition, and the lower panels have been treated with undercoating and rust prevention. Number 27. 1988 Ford F250, price $5,900, finished in white with a contrasting red interior. It is powered by a 5.0L V8 paired with a 5-speed manual transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck has spent its life as a farm vehicle in North Georgia and is equipped with a gooseneck hitch and trailer brakes, completing several important updates including new fuel pumps and sender, a new timing chain, all new intake gaskets, and a water pump. It also rides on brand new Dixie Peck all-terrain tires mounted on alloy wheels. While the air conditioning is present but not currently blowing cold, the truck remains mechanically sound, solid, and free of rust. It is not perfect, as expected for an antique, but it is an honest, well-kept classic pickup ready to be enjoyed. Number 28. 1996 Chevrolet S10, price $2,800. The truck comes finished in a classic blue exterior with a gray interior, giving it a clean and straightforward look. This regular cab LS pickup features 2 doors and a 6-foot bed, making it both practical and versatile. With 183,000 miles on the odometer and powered by gasoline, it continues to run strong and proves itself reliable. Equipped with a manual transmission, the truck offers a more engaging driving experience while maintaining its reputation as a dependable workhorse. Whether used for daily driving, work, or personal projects, this Chevy S10 delivers the simple yet durable body style that many enthusiasts appreciate. Number 29. 1995 Ford F150, price $5,000, comes with 200,000 miles and a blue exterior. It is powered by the legendary 5.8L 351 Windsor engine, all original and still running strong, paired with its original E4OD automatic transmission. The truck runs on gasoline and has been well cared for, first by an automotive mechanic and then by its current second owner. Recent updates include a high-power alternator and a brand new compressor. While the truck remains in good condition and drives well, it does need front brake pads, has a small leak in the lower radiator hose, and the air conditioning system has a leak. The grille and front bumper also show cosmetic damage. Overall, this F-150 is a solid and dependable OBS pickup, strong, reliable, and built to last. Number 30. 1970 International Harvester, price $5,000. Under the hood, it carries a freshly rebuilt 232 inline-6 engine with only about 5 miles on it. The motor has been bored and fitted with new valves, pistons, a cam, lifters, rockers, and oil pump, and fresh gaskets throughout. Supporting components, including the radiator, water pump, and spark plugs, are also brand new. The truck rides on a set of tires that are essentially new, showing only a few miles of use. Its exterior wears a very cool patina, complemented by some dents and minor rust, though overall the body remains quite solid. The transmission does have a leak, but the vehicle does start, yard drive, and stop as the brakes are in working order. While it is not road ready, the truck is being sold as is for $5,000 cash, firm. It will require finishing touches and some fine-tuning to be fully sorted, so buyers should plan to bring a trailer, as driving at home is not an option. Number 31. 1988 Dodge Dakota, price $8,950. It has only 61,000 original miles on the odometer and remains in exceptional condition for its age. Powered by a reliable 3.9L V6 paired with an automatic transmission, it runs and drives beautifully, making it equally suited for daily use, parades, or weekend car shows. The truck wears its factory red paint, accented by the original graphics kit and chrome wheels, giving it a period-correct look that still turns heads. The light gray interior is in pristine condition, rated a perfect 10 out of 10, and features factory air conditioning and cruise control for added comfort. A rear sliding glass window further enhances its practicality. This Dakota has never been driven in rain or snow, ensuring that both the body and frame remain entirely rust-free. It comes with a clean and clear original title, a rare find for a truck of this vintage. The only sign of age is some light sun fading on the stepside bed, which is minor compared to its overall outstanding condition. Number 32. 1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,200, showing just over 130,000 miles. It comes equipped with a strong 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering smooth performance through its 2WD drivetrain, finished in a bright red exterior with a well-preserved tan interior. The truck stands out not only for its classic look but also for its excellent condition inside and out. The interior remains in remarkable shape for its age, while the exterior is very clean, making it a standout example of a late 90s Silverado. This truck is offered with a clean title and has proven itself to be reliable and easy to live with. It runs and drives great, with cold air conditioning, strong heat, and overall road manners that make it suitable for daily use or relaxed weekend cruising. Well maintained and ready to go, it represents both utility and classic Chevrolet charm. Number 33. 1977 Ford F250, price $9,750, shows just 96,000 miles and retains its original red paint paired with a matching red interior. Under the hood sits the strong 460 V8 engine mated to a dependable C6 automatic transmission, delivering smooth power and reliability. The truck runs and drives nicely, with good oil pressure, and has been well preserved over the years. Its overall condition is solid, with only a couple of small spots beginning to appear on the floor pan, a minor issue for a vehicle of this age. With its classic styling, original finish, and dependable performance, this F250 stands as a solid example of a late 1970s workhorse that is still ready for the road. Number 34. 1979 Dodge D150, price $5,500. The truck has traveled 72,000 miles and is powered by a dependable 318 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in its original red paint with a matching red interior, the truck still carries much of its classic charm. Although the paint could use a good buff and wax to bring back its original shine, the body remains in great shape for its age. Originally a Georgia truck, it starts right up without hesitation, and the transmission shifts smoothly, making it a well-preserved example of a late 70s Dodge pickup. Running on gasoline, this D150 is a strong and reliable classic that reflects both durability and style from its era. Number 35. 1994 Ford F150, price $4,000, features an automatic transmission, a blue exterior, and has 270,000 miles on the odometer. Over the past year, a number of important components have been replaced, including the starter, solenoid, alternator, and a few other parts. A brand new battery was installed just a month ago, and the transmission was swapped out for another used unit about a year back. Since the original one had lost reverse, even with its age, the truck continues to run and drive smoothly, showing the durability these F150s are known for. That said, it is still a 30-year-old vehicle and comes with a few quirks. The air conditioning is no longer functional, and there is an exhaust leak that the current owner never had the chance to repair. Occasionally, the check engine light will appear, most likely triggered by the exhaust issue, though it has no impact on performance. Number 36. 1979 Dodge D200, price $8,500, showing just 50,000 miles on the odometer. It is powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering smooth performance for its age. The exterior is finished in brown, complemented by a matching brown interior that has been kept in very nice condition. The cabin is equipped with desirable features such as air conditioning, cruise control, tilt steering, and a brake controller, making it a comfortable choice for both work and leisure driving. While the truck runs and drives well, it could benefit from a replacement brake booster to bring it to its best condition. The body shows only minimal rust, which is impressive for its age, and adds to the truck's overall solid presentation. Number 37. 1994 Ford F150, price $5,500. It has 139,000 miles on it and comes with an automatic transmission. Finished in white with a gray interior, it remains all original with nothing rigged or altered. The truck runs and drives beautifully, and its underside is completely rust-free. The interior is also in good shape, reflecting how well it has been cared for over the years. While not perfect, it is in far better condition than most F150s of this era currently on the market. Powered by a gasoline engine, it starts right up and drives very nicely. The rear fuel tank works fine, though the truck will need a new front fuel pump. It could also benefit from new front manual locking hubs, as well as fresh rotors and brake pads. Aside from these minor needs, it stands as a solid and well-preserved classic pickup. Number 38. 1997 GMC Sierra 1500, price $4,850, with 200,000 miles on the odometer. It still runs and drives great without any known issues. Powered by a dependable 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, it delivers smooth performance on the road. The truck seats up to 6 passengers comfortably with its front bench seat and rear seating, making it both practical and versatile. Finished in green with a clean gray interior, it presents itself well and has clearly been kept in great condition for its age. It features dual exhaust, nice SS wheels fitted with brand new tires, and most impressively, the body shows no rust at all. For anyone seeking a reliable full-size pickup that blends strength, comfort, and classic style, the Sierra stands out as an excellent choice. Number 39. 1991 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000. Finished in a classic blue exterior, the truck is completely rust-free and has been well kept throughout its life. It has traveled 214,000 miles, but the freshly rebuilt 5.7L TBI motor ensures strong and reliable performance. The automatic transmission shifts smoothly, making it ready for both daily driving and hauling needs. Equipped with a factory tow package that includes a hitch and trailer brake, the Silverado is built to handle work with ease. For added convenience, it features keyless entry and a remote start system. A Bose sound system has been installed, providing upgraded audio quality for a more enjoyable drive. The rebuild included new bearings, a new camshaft and lifters, rebuilt heads, cleaned pistons, and all new gaskets. Number 40. 1994 Chevrolet 2500, price $4,900, solid and reliable work truck with just 65,000 miles on the odometer. It comes in a clean white exterior paired with a blue interior, featuring a regular cab and a long bed. Under the hood, it is powered by the original 5.7L 350 TBI engine matched to its original automatic transmission, both of which remain in excellent condition with no leaks. The truck is equipped with power steering and a tilt wheel for easier handling, along with a functional radio and CD player. While it is a basic work truck with manual windows and locks, it does come with newer wheels and tires that have only about 3,000 miles of use. Practical additions include a protective bedliner and a sturdy toolbox in the bed, making it ready for hauling and work duties. Number 41. 1992 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500, well-kept classic with just 90,000 original miles. Finished in blue inside and out, it comes equipped with a V8 engine paired to an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. This two-wheel drive pickup offers both heat and air conditioning, making it comfortable year-round. It sits on quality aftermarket wheels wrapped in Cooper Cobra tires, which complement its solid exterior presence. Inside, the blue interior remains in good condition, while the exterior shows only minor imperfections. The truck has some rust in the cab corners but is otherwise completely solid, with no rust anywhere else. A few light hail dings are visible, yet overall, it still presents very well. Number 42. 1993 GMC Sierra 1500, price $7,996. This truck is a clean and dependable pickup with 175,000 miles on the odometer. Powered by a smooth and reliable V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission, it runs on gasoline and is built to handle both daily driving and light work with ease. The truck sports a classic blue exterior that pairs well with its well-preserved gray interior. Inside, the cabin is in very nice condition, featuring a crack-free dash and seats that have been well cared for over the years. Comfort is enhanced with cold air conditioning, while the exterior rides on a solid set of wheels and tires that add to both its look and performance. With a clean title and a history of good care, this Sierra stands as a great example of a practical yet classic GMC pickup ready to be enjoyed and driven anywhere. Number 43. 1977 GMC 1500, price $8,950, showing just 100,000 miles. It's powered by a small block Chevy engine equipped with a cam, headers, and true dual exhaust. The setup includes a Holley 750 double-pumper carburetor, which has recently been rebuilt, paired with a turbo 350 transmission and a 2400 stall converter. The truck has been lowered and features a center console shifter along with a nice cowl hood, giving it an aggressive stance. Both the factory speedometer and fuel gauge are in working order, and additional aftermarket gauges have also been installed and function properly. Despite the paint not being in perfect condition, the body remains very straight with minimal rust and no major holes or weak spots. The doors and hood open and close as they should, and all of the lights work properly. Mechanically, the truck runs, drives, and shifts great with no oil leaks and no smoke. Number 44. 1999 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000, equipped with an automatic transmission and a powerful 5.7L V8 engine. Finished in a striking red exterior with a matching red interior, the truck runs on gasoline and has been very well cared for. Locally owned, it has just received a brand new set of tires, mounted less than 40 miles ago, along with several recently replaced front-end components. As a result, it drives smoothly with very tight steering. The interior is in excellent condition, nearly flawless, with no cracks in the dashboard or significant signs of wear. On the outside, the the paint remains in great shape for its age, with only a few minor dings. Everything functions as it should, including ice-cold air conditioning and strong heating. Mechanically, the truck has no issues and is ready to be driven anywhere. Number 45. 1993 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,500, equipped with a strong 350 engine paired with a 700R4 transmission, 2WD, and an 8-foot bed. With 206,000 miles on the odometer, it still runs and drives exceptionally well. The truck starts easily, has good brakes and tires, and remains a dependable daily driver. While the shocks are a bit worn and the blower motor recently quit, the air conditioning still blows cold and the heat works properly. The driver's window clip will need replacement to connect it back to the power window motor, though the window can still be lowered by hand. Much work has already been done to the motor, making this an excellent candidate for restoration. It's clear that this truck has been cared for, and although it could use an oil change and a few minor fixes, it runs amazing overall. Number 46. 1999 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,500, shows 207,000 miles and features an automatic transmission, a green exterior with a tan interior. It runs and drives great, with everything working as it should, and is reliable enough for weekend drives or long trips. In the past 3 years, it has received extensive maintenance and upgrades, including new brakes with slotted rotors, intake gaskets, fuel injectors, plugs, wires, distributor, water pump, alternator, fuel system components, long tube headers, a 3-inch exhaust with off-road Y-pipe, Black Widow muffler, Flowmaster tips, a new battery, and a 1-inch throttle body spacer. The tires are in excellent shape with about 79% tread remaining, making this Chevrolet 1500 a dependable and well-maintained truck that's ready to hit the road. Number 47. 2000 Chevrolet 3500, price $3,800. It has traveled 160,000 miles and is powered by gasoline paired with an automatic transmission. It comes finished in a classic white exterior with a comfortable tan interior, giving it both a work-ready appearance and everyday usability. The truck runs and drives excellently, showing the strength and durability that the Silverado lineup is known for. Both the air conditioning and heater are fully functional, making it comfortable to drive in any season. Its tires remain in great shape, providing confidence and reliability on the road. With a clean Texas title in hand, the Silverado 3500 stands out as a solid choice for anyone in need of a capable and trustworthy heavy-duty pickup. Number 48. 1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,800. This truck is a solid classic pickup that has been well cared for over the years. It is powered by a dependable 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, showing 190,000 miles on the odometer. The exterior is finished in white and sits on a fresh set of rally wheels that have recently been painted, wrapped in brand new tires for a confident ride. Inside, the truck features a red interior that has been very well preserved, with no rips in the seats and no cracks on the dash, an uncommon find for a truck of this age. With a total of 195,000 miles, this Chevy still runs strong and presents itself as both a reliable driver and a clean example of a classic American workhorse. Number 49. 1968 Chevrolet C20, price $8,900. It has covered 96,000 miles. It comes finished in a striking blue exterior with a clean black interior, paired with an automatic transmission. Under the hood, it is powered by a strong 350 V8 engine mated to a TH400 3-speed automatic transmission. The truck runs, drives, and rides very well, thanks to recent maintenance that includes brand new shocks, wheels, and tires. It also features power steering and power brakes, making it easier to handle compared to many trucks of its era. While it's mechanically sound, a few items are not currently functioning, including the heat and air conditioning, the horn, and the radio. Even so, this gasoline-powered C20 presents itself as a dependable driver with plenty of charm and classic appeal. Number 50. 1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,600, finished in blue both inside and out. It runs on gasoline and features the reliable 5.0 engine paired with an automatic setup. The truck has been well cared for, with significant recent maintenance and upgrades. It received new upper and lower ball joints, control arm bushings, and idler arm, as well as fresh brake calipers and lines. The 4WD system benefits from brand new actuators, while all hoses and fluids have been replaced. At the rear, it has new spider gears and seals, along with new brakes and wheel cylinders to ensure strong stopping power. Other improvements include a new battery box, updated exhaust system, and a fresh set of tires. To preserve its character, the body has been clear-coated, highlighting its patina while protecting the metal underneath.